This video, you're going to have to stop it and read the stuff in the middle of it, because each of these cars has its own racing heritage and the racer that raced them. These cars are at the American National Corvette Museum, and they're famous race cars and drivers. This apparently is a Bonneville Salt Flats car. And the writing above just disappeared. I'll now go into a video and not telling us about each racer. So, I'm just going to please wait on the deals, so I can't tell you much about them.
It's almost an hour now we're on the C8. Finally, every store is bringing that in Corvette. I'm ecstatic. I hope that it will do that.
Pretty hard on my video that
And I think it's really cool that we're doing
I remember these cars. They were a race series that was just stock Corvettes, and they had these wheels in '85 or something. This looks like a Callaway. And this is a Gran Turismo car, evidently designed after the racing game on PlayStation.